Alexandra and I am the Home Baked Vegan, and today I'm going to be showing you how I pipe letters onto my sugar cookies. So you can get my recipe for vegan sugar cookies and my vegan royal icing that I use at homebakedvegan.com, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to know about writing on your sugar cookies is what icing consistency to use. And I use about an 8-second icing. I also refer to it as wet toothpaste icing because if you were to stick your toothbrush underneath the sink, that is the consistency that you want your icing to be. So an 8-second icing means that if I were to put a pile of icing on my paper or on my cookie, it's going to take about 8 seconds to flow completely back into itself. And I'm using a tipless piping bag, so I just snipped the top right off of it. If you are using tips to decorate your cookies, it's probably about a size 1 tip that I'm using. And I write my letters 2 different ways when I'm printing on my sugar cookies. So the first way I write is with uppercase letters. So while I'm doing that, I start with my piping bag touching the cookie, and then I lift it up and drape it down, and then I touch down when I'm done. And that's going to give me nice straight lines. If I keep my hand and my piping bag right on my cookie while I'm making a line, I'm going to end up with squiggly lines. But when you drape your icing down, it takes away all the squiggles and gives you a nice straight line. So I'm going to make a letter H, and that's how I write my uppercase printed letters. Now when I'm writing script, I use a similar method, so I touch down at the beginning and then I drape my icing down. And I don't touch down until I'm done. So I'm just going to drape my icing until I'm done what I am writing. So that is how I pipe letters onto my sugar cookies. Again, you can get all my recipes at homebakedvegan.com, but thank you for watching. If you have any questions about cookie decorating, please ask them in the comments below and I will try and answer you in any upcoming videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.